Loinena Shina Bimol caretaker stand on Loinena the MP Manapi Viva a signature. Ma'am, come on, commission please. Thank you so much.
Purushunuk I be Kango Kango Koi my partner Namamban. Yam Kona Pulak Pomini Gasu, my power said my last film high. COVID Mununga Asia, Kananabi, COVID, the power of type one. Manipur young talented to by any advantage about young filmmaker stuff and quickly home and DY. Wonderful filmmaker, storyteller. The total creative of a meaning of home and DY Vegas. I just so high with Magi. I say, Mina Yamna Karihani artistic over film the Gina, Mayamna, this sensitive way, high with Simas, we go in the Gomesimas over. Yenga no panga ways. And the cinema see yenga for the magi, Yaskul Pakung, okay. No vibra. Magi characterization of the man and Namiba, a song sequence, I say, Ampatana Nam and lower vein upon a very creative artist, and quasi purpose to be talked with an appointment in the only thing is that as an organized community, I'm sorry. We could be individual islands, excellent islands, but as a collective, we often tend to fail. I see films say, Lunga, award winning, do Aina, how say Heiser in the film, Sigi holds the income limit to 10 state film festival or on the Doma, Masipura, Lucian ring at the town, one more function of Manausa. We go not GPS boy. There is a jury member who is question the public states, Pongri Room Sam, the chairman is a jury member in Yorami. At the Saina, we cite seminar the sea corridors, similar to Sai Hydra. Storytelling, see, Nung the git focus of I my magi artistic canonical, the Vaina Tamzera fun knowledge side again, non alienating film Namge Haridati. I have to be in touch with myself. I get nungi wakalon chekarino. So I first feature film daina. Iragan number whole kanda. I color. I premiere the Uganda Jolan Dance Academy the town. Audience kada hogala chakezi inaugural the mama pama melo exima kapo with money quite money the pama yeng. Me response over. Me kada hogala talk and I felt so good. That I need chip kind of films, I do effects like the message, Pamalo, radically, in a Kalakadoto. And some people knock on the young way away. I do. Much later, Pawani Rum Shamsamana stays a Kakalakan, Hirakanda. I knew that I did my job. Pawung Hydrum Laisimas, I'm just trying to remind our filmmakers. I knew you was a high one of my brother, me, Amani, or communicate the number mass to the book. Pauna lawyer Pada, and again, Professor Aramam Loke, Yamuni, my Moyum Nagamoy, Adaida. Nunguba, high bungam the bar, Nung animarta, how Bogi were high hectares in Marsium with the ventilation and boy Harry Bomsa. I realized that I have done my job. Ngang bada ko nang fungo ko ngam diba ki daga lego man the cinema dialogue ko na absolute legi ai actors kan so in fresh when kan ni characters u ngam mo na yang these are struggles. I spent a lot of money on that. University was on and a passion of and commercially I didn't release it also Sembada problem forum but it represented Manipur in Northeast Film Festival once it went. I some hiding a sick I couldn't know about worry. Drama the Susaman I say Oza Nilkanta like it ever had more Ilango Nilkanta Niramamlay. You search for the truth externally or you search for the truth internally. Mano compare me was a Ratan Thiam gi plega, Kanaila gi place. Truth the Amatoila or a Kanetuga journey city, Kanaila tend to look within. Almana externally searched over. But ultimate goal, the humanity elements searched over the play and Mukta Maneka and Eve. Aduna Masi Tirapumatamda as an artist. Externally, it takes Mapangi Havaniko. Unleavened things, you place Indugi play, and a lot of buying on the Bonkanala play, the gay was other than Tiang, Ganka, Katara, for the world Pamagi, falling fall Kaiba. Chakra view Gaiba Bongi, Bonkanalagi, Tamalagi Macha, Pebiet Kai, different kind of comparisons. A film this would be universe. I don't know. Aina conservative aina appeal to let's try to tell our stories, but not driven by external incentives. First, the writers say, "Aina ngani isikari noise hana mama kanna thivam changi." As Sanjay Lila Banchali Bombay the foreign, more external driven than any pumps. Vishal isina mukayega. I want to make the kind of film that I make, what not others want me to make. Kind set levels. And the creative process that Ekoina Manipur gi Muring se Mahalo Haga the artists there, I think you should reflect on our condition. I could the lady, but people might call you oily, but mother no going to power of my MC. Little from Sang, Masigi Lina Bagi Sila, but then by Koigi universal appeal to Magi, real substantive scripts. I know thousands of near to me. I know Kitang Tamjar, Papa, person Magi, Karigi, Manam Seen a guiding force way that the people try to tell the stories that one feels so strong. See, I know how much the Sigi film see, I know Tavada, Akogi, man, so called commercial move out of Wakanda. I call the existential, Yamna, Samnaba, Kusamnaba, I know glimpses in a review, Karapagi with that. Pony could be a metaphor, but you are telling a story of the entire collective. I koigi kari cultural existence by aims financial aims political aims adu do poni na kulayo insina the leave away aduna adu gi mahau chen ba se ti masigu magi film si yeng ba magi audience masing hinga lai se we need to train and orient our audience also. Don't think that there is something audience it's not the way. Audience ki munu yo ba ai la chamana we mu ba nga tane ai phawro nga do po se legal ai khuda maine recent u gi ba film hai tare ai mo da yam international jam amin chatti ba sinna ko ge bong zun hogi the parasite ai do masigi sinna mana tawri but narrative structure get turn and twist linear narrative not the vida. Cinema has a powerful medium. Say, as an academically trained person, also I hijack Ozamo in us. Wang Buga, even in a powerful when hiding us. But my experience tells me that even the cinema, here by hiding with the high numbers. I'm tin high number, subplot and the subtext and end of the key. Jun Hogi Mangi, Parasite, for example, it's some dialogue, Mapalon Antore, Partita with a no same Sabatian Kato Kalabron, Kaluko, do Japanese Nico, very simple line. The Korean elite things in a Makoibuno colonized or Amba, Loilam or Mapu in a Palamba, Japanese gi Mato Tamja in a Magi Korean elite Wakan and line to the Yara in it. It's some wide. And then the dialogue, the Moigi psyche of the elite in our my worry about the woman, parasite. ina khum mi singa party to the cham cham dialogue the bak long mo entire Korean elite singi wakan te bak long communicate to re cinema party sem the ten khalaba choki du thar ba do aru padan sem go Japanese singa to mai to dam ni hai singa sa gi elite singi ma ko tam to tam ko da ga mayang maina na sin mai felu hai gumba na jagma tamam da British na to mai to dam ni ko hai se sigi subjugated mind gi ma gi aesthetic sensibility se maina guide to ga se one line tum tholo pa adagi turn to the basement the later me guy what is it go me ma basement the low and parasiting me mina dai has a kambira money go it's an internationally acclaimed quite a successful over Sembada basement gi wari ga hapche lai se it's a North Korea ga South Korea ga war to him the nuclear bunker ama ina khun me na sar ba yum de mana ko na lai ba mention te kai mai de Sembada ma gi sak ta hapche lai ne dum khang e ba Sembada se li ba matam da number matam the basement the low level there is an unknown Korea anigi sekaina ba jati amtang or Korea North Korea South Korea ge sekaina ba gi narrative tissue story dugi stuck the basement am hapcha lai ne ba sai gi Korean war das age ba ko nuclear ngak thung so it the film reminds you of various facets in the cinema di ai gi mon matu ne di is a very powerful you can say so many things in one shot I ama latest sama release of the hang emina aina messenger of death and I characterize the evil script and my head tholak pasin khudingi gari se sum thobuda turian mapan gi khoi ge bus crematorium se every shot khudingi I happen kai haida bi ma lambi mina chum lambi thawen urong ne so every shot khuding makta sunga sai turian pan da saba khoi gi crematorium su u ne mana pure pause me a see very pause in high so I nice to see why the idea was cinema the thing where this mind high so God I think cinema is a very powerful tool that we have and again thankful ya ko gi bobina su evil ariam dai gi cinema mata ma happy palak pang su this is a political system anyway ko gi chingi sel lai to ja ko sociology da hypergamy ainale hypogamy ai ne phagi to ne ba airport le podu ga luong pan thada kaina kya thindagi kaina kya thingal ei mon thingal pu kaina masin hen ani thindagi bu kaina see this is a relationship between Imphal and the rest of the kaina ne chingni ne ko de yum pa la ko ko yimi ne yum pa me yengo ai khoi kang bu na ma pa na me yum pa ma ga ma pa ni bi na ko le pa la pe ma se sociology the labor dynamics ne Bombay na me heroine si pangan when be see to se a ko da su dum jingi se le power relationship ne me se tu ga dia ro hai na to ro ga ni cinema si da hero si ai gu gi kari gi heroine si le dia ba gi physical design tang khulu hele heroine mi dai wan ne ben a ko gi jingi se no in reverse song about to ne alagi second these are all creative decisions that we take as a conscious filmmaker akogi mimicry tawga South Indian gi joker dong he North Indian na sawa South Indian kari am chi chin chai film studies na ta hero kum se akogi maitai gi actor am sa je ga tang ku sa ai to do ne ai real tang ku lum thi ga tang ku se hero kum hoi bo we like the one pale first Manipur film where a tribal actor was the lead actor protagonist sawa mai gi la you yaw re bo ni this what I am saying is I give example please I give film dugi gwanate highly politically conscious oiba academic ama leiba mathau taba socially responsible oiba journalist mathau taba statesmanship yawa political leaders politician mathau taba politically and artistically conscious oiba filmmaker is masi leiba matam dane ba khunai magi chokhat pa mapangal kan mesi oidona film mai sidi yeah, a powerful medium nine filmmakers in the field of the let's continue to tell our stories, and I think this film has achieved that to a great extent. I'm desperate to see this film one day. I'm to the any so I'm going I told her I'm producer there, I videos you again. Anuga Atopum the Ponigi Matans, Koigi, Kendina Sukara with the Harameko. Nang Buga. I have been discussing this with many people. We need to declare pony as an endangered species. Government of India love to unsira and I gonna call it. adugi move se akoi government asu state ki rules for government we should move together and masi endangered species ni ama lok thupom matau ta aduga poni ki symbolic of nataba poni ki life to sok pani ma sa hariba magi grazing ground like the book of plastic sabe amugi aina igi cinema ha language chalabi do ka ingai da asigi thangal bazaar sa plastic cha cha nungang ina koi pawan gi studio le mi thangal za da ka ingai dam to I was shocked sigi koi tawre suna chinda ekoi gi poni amata ngai ra bani ha ga ina aroi bi hai chara ka se we will try our best in the local mathau tai aduga poni gi symbolic ka hena paisa ta da ga poni du ga hakting na theng na ba life the investment tawdra di akoi mangani aduna sigi khena bam ju thama pai koi na poni gi ni haraga symbolism da sa ba statue adu da si discourage the wogi wana te ko ai se but we should distinguish among the symbolic representation the real the mathau tare the thada ba paisa aina na parliament nang de ni loi na lokta imai be ma koi gi khoidong ne no puya te ye du to ai je bai wa ne Wetland Conservation and Monitoring Act 2017 rule makada Manipur the wetland amatalaw to omde protect tawna ba na Modi na thangjale baneba aikoi gi wetland me se mang edore yar roe na masi preserve tawna bane na lom se me adugi lom makada ngasi Manipur ko le basana le pak sida ising gi body water bodies wetland amata hoji notified tawde including lokta aduna ngang isiga tawri siga dagi chama ga yankai manga le lam ni hai koi wetland hoji kulum doi khakta ngai re hai bachin ne ji lokta kan ba nambul kan ba lamfel pat kan ba ina tawga kanna ba ga menu ina semai bo wetland conservation and monitoring rules 2017 makaza not a single water bodies Manipur is notified as wetland sine koi gi hoyo belongs masine ba thankfully I koi gi kuela pa na investigative report ama la bani aina parliament hang the wetland India da kana kana lau to aid ain thoi gi hang ni Manipur ka tang hang de khomak ta ba ya ana chindana manga kanda akhoi gi to sumaina poni sisu wetland gi le phibam se mayam conscious review sigi film sina khulai oi season kanda poni kanna ba achouba weapon na masu oi na once you commercial screening lo rega di schools and colleges in the dedicated screening toroga poni gi welfare moi gi consciousness ama especially among school children and college ama to wina ba producers sing so request of the get ga khoi na masu yare ge mate pam ge punna hot na menasi akhoi bu sakta le ba pot amai manung da akhoi gi film industry sini I wish all of you including myself if I consider myself as a filmmaker as well akhoi punna hot na menase duga Anouba Manipur ma Sembada mama thar ga firal pai do akhoi gi film platinum su oi bo oi su ma si hare ga sai samte